Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in world sentiment, with a sentiment score of plus 0.01 and momentum at plus 0.19. This isn't just a minor fluctuation, it's a significant shift compared to historical averages. You might find that unusual given the recent stability in global sentiment. Our API returns comprehensive sentiment analysis, including 20 semantic clusters that break down the nuances of public opinion. This can reveal underlying trends that might not be immediately obvious. Imagine integrating this insight into your application to gauge public sentiment during major events, like elections or crises, allowing you to adjust your strategy in real time based on sentiment shifts. Explore the possibilities at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.